Today I have come up with a more interesting AI, artificial intelligence video. I will explain step by step, so without skipping the part, watch the full video. We will create this giant animal walking and destroying in the city, just using one picture to this. We will use the Kling AI tool. This could be a very interesting tutorial, so without wasting more time, let's dive in. First, we need to generate an image using ChatGPT. Ask ChatGPT to create the giant animal picture in the city. No people on the road, just vehicles to be on the road. Second, once it creates an image, ask to write the prompt for the same image, whatever you prefer according to your picture. Now copy the prompt. We will use it in the next step. Now open the Kling AI and log in using your Google account. Now in this, select the AI videos box, which has written try Kling 1.6. Now drag and drop the image into this box, or just click on this and import the downloaded image. Before going further, let's switch this to Kling 1.6 to 1.5. Because 1.6, it takes more time to generate. Once you switch to the 1.5 version, paste the prompt that you have copied from the ChatGPT. Then need to click on this Generate button. Before that, let's make some changes in the settings. Mode, let it be the standard mode. In duration, let's change it to 10 seconds just to extend the video duration, or else keep it for 5 seconds only. Is not a problem. Now, let's click on this Generate button. Wait for a while until it generates the video. Let's check with the output. If you are satisfied with the output, just download it, or else you can regenerate it. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If yes, please give like to the video and do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video. Let's meet in the next video. Until have a nice day.